Hello Mzansi, Musa Khawula was always attacking Mihlali. He accused her of wrecking Mary Jane and Leroy's marriage. Mihlali is currently in a relationship with Leroy. Leroy had to intervene and defend Mihlali. He said he had separated with Mary Jane even though they haven't divorced yet. I mean, all married men, they separate with their wives and then at some point in life they go back to their wives because killing ntwe. After being suspended from Twitter, the celebrity blogger Musa Khawula seems to have humbled himself as he has apologized to Mihlali. This is what he had to say. Mihlali babes, I'm sorry for all the things I said about you. Hashtag free Musa Khawula. So Musa is apologizing to Mihlali because her Twitter account has been taken down. Not because he is sorry for all the things that he said to Mihlali and Leroy. Anyway, that's it from me till I see you again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest Mugosi. Hit the notification bell below. Thank you.